executive class has always been strong. There's the BMW 3 Series, the Mercedes C-Class, the Jaguar XE, and of course the Audi A4. And now there is a new one. Haven't got the base model here to show you today, but we have got a few others. The sporty S4 model, the Avant, which is the estate, and the allroad, which is a more rugged estate with some SUV styling. Design-wise, the compact exec class has never been out there. It's kind of the equivalent of a nice grey suit and tie. So smart, sharp, stylish, but also subtle. And that is the case with the A4 here, but it's no bad thing. Design-wise, there have been some updates though. It's been brought more into line with the rest of the range, so it's officially part of the Audi family. On top of that, there's new grilles to differentiate between different models in the range, and some new lights, which do some pretty funky things when you turn them on. Audi interiors have always been excellent, and the new A4 follows that trend. It's a bit more subtle than Audi's top-end models, but that's no bad thing because it's also a bit more clean and a bit more simple. You get a 10.1-inch touchscreen, which is easy to use, as well as Audi's virtual cockpit, so you can see navigation and all other kinds of data behind the steering wheel. There's a bit more space in the cabin as there's no rotary dial anymore, so there's a bit more storage, and overall there is a nice feeling of space with loads of light coming into the cabin. Not a bad story in the back either. Legroom is really good, headroom is fine, although if you are a taller person then you might find it brushing against the roof lining. You also probably won't want to have 5 people in here for a long journey as there is a very high transmission tunnel. Boot space is on a par with the rest of the class, and the space is easy to use, although there is a bit of a lip to lug things over. You do get Audi's split folding rear seats though, so it's really easy to maximise the space. There's a large range of petrol and diesel engines and power outputs available at launch, with a few more joining the lineup later on. The new Audi A4 range goes on sale in May, with first UK deliveries expected towards the end of the year.